track about 15 minutes after they ran.
14 minutes.
What's your view on this, Dwayne?
No, I think that's unfair to those who had to run and finish the race, and they ran an entire 100 meters, and not enough rest time was given to them to come back and run this race.
So here we go with Class 4 again. Allen, Vernon, Bogle, Shepherd, Gray, Green, Ellis, and King.
Gray won the first installment.
And that's a yellow. What is that? Can we see yellow? A warning has been given to lane 2, Vernon of Immaculate.
Must have been from the recall last time around.
Christian Allen of Immaculate Conception there in lane 1. Malaysia Vernon, Immaculate in the 2. Monique Bogle of Edwin Allen runs out of lane 3.
Just saw her teammate Clark winning Class 3.
Omika Shepherd of Virtech is in lane 4.
Yeah, she was one of the 5 who finished the race in the first go around.
Brianna Gray from Excelsior is in lane 5.
From Russell Primary School to Excelsior. Looks confident.
Shantwe Green, Edwin Allen runs from lane 6.
12:45 in the semi-finals.
Did not finish the first run.
Deanna Ellis from Lacovia is in lane 7.
The sprint double champion from
also
the West.
Did not finish the last race.
And in lane 8, Brianna King from Veer Technical. Class 4 girls, 100-meter final.
So Brianna Gray on screen won the first run in 12:05. Let's see what happens. Monique Bogle of Edwin Allen came second in 12:19.
When you come to
and
your
Christian
set,
Allen,
be perfectly still.
12:44.
Okay.
We believe there's been a warning,
on your mark,
a yellow card issued to lane 2 from Immaculate Malaysia Vernon. But let's watch the times and let's see if Brianna Gray, 12:05, the original winner, is able to repeat that form 15 minutes after.
2 from Immaculate, 2 from Edwin Allen, and the 2 from Veer.
So there's a bit of a disturbance that's happening now in the long jump. I believe Cato jumped 7:21 has probably moved him up into second place behind his teammate. And so the starters correctly asking the young ladies to stand.
Yeah, it's hard to be quiet when the long jump is as hot as it is.
Sure. So this is the 5th round of the boys' long jump.
On your marks.
There are no calls to their marks. So I guess we now say sentimental favorite, Brianna Gray, having run 100 meters in 12:05 and asked to do it again 15 minutes later.
Ready for the Class 4 girls once again.
Set.
This time they get away cleanly. Very good start by Shantwe Green of Edwin Allen. Brianna Gray of Excelsior takes command. The rest are chasing. It's Brianna Gray of Excelsior. She scores and takes the gold medal. She won the first race, which was called back. 12.01 seconds for Brianna Gray of Excelsior. 0.1 meter per second. The boat will get silver. 12.30 seconds. Bronze in 12:40 goes to Shantwe Green of Edwin Allen.